If you've seen the rest of the channel, you know that this Jeep breaks down all the time. And I blame that on the Burnout show. But in order to reverse the curse on the Cherokan't, I'm going to add a giant Burnout show logo to either side of the car. So I had some logos made and we're gonna put them on, and they're permanently gonna be on the Jeep in bright white letters. However, there's an issue to start. The paint that is painted all around the Jeep is actually bed liner spray paint. It is Rust-Oleum, comes in a rattle can, and you just spray it on. It is not how you actually paint a car. And I actually really dig the look of it, but the problem there is that no stickers stick to this paint because it is so rough and so coarse. What we have to do here is sand it down. Now, Tarpey actually fixed this door right here with some body filler. We did a very Cherokan't job on this. I will link that video right in the upper right corner if you want to see that body work. I highly recommend doing that before just sanding your car. But I'm going to try to sand down some of the black paint all on the side here so we can get these decals on there. What's more important, having a painted Jeep or having a Jeep that has a decal on it? Got my electric sander, had some glasses somewhere, and I'm going to go at it. Come on, Jeep. It's important too to look at what grit sandpaper you're using before you start, because I didn't do that. I just started. Wow, that is much smoother. Holy cow. Before I go any further, I'm going to actually take some water, spray this, and then wipe it down with a dry towel, and then use a test sticker of the same material to make sure it sticks on, because this feels much softer than up here. This feels very rough. This feels soft. I'm sure you can see that on the camera, but it's all about whether a sticker can actually stick to this. So let me grab that, spray it down, I'll wipe it, and then give it a whirl. Let's get some test stickers. Alrighty, let's give this a whirl. It's actually on there very good. Let me test it on the body filler that we also did previously. What we did after the body filler was we actually hit it with a coat of primer paint, which is obviously not the rough paint that is on the Jeep, but it is a smoother paint that will protect the body filler and metal for that matter. I mean, that is solid. This is by no means a professional job, but like, it's the Cherokan't, so you can't make it perfect when the rest of the Jeep looks like it does. This is solid. This is actually good. This is going to be awesome. What I'm gonna do now is sand the rest of this door where it needs the logo and then slap on the logo. Man, I can't wait. Stay tuned. Like this video down below because it doesn't get better than this, folks. Look at that. That's all dust. Alrighty, let's get to sanding. Finally, it's the time that I've been waiting for a long time. I'm going to put these letters on the Jeep, and then we paint black again to make the Jeep look cool. Have these nice big decals to go on the Jeep. Paint seems like it came out very nice. And for now, I'm just gonna use magnets to hold it on for the moment while I get all the letters mocked up.